Okay, so this is room 252 at the Moxy Banff, and it is a king and two twins room. My daughter is waving from the top. So this room is so cool because we have, and perfect for family travel. So you've got this king bed, and I always love when you can slide the suitcases or shoes. Looks like our family's already parked our shoes down there. But when you can slide them right under the bed, and it gives it so much more space in the room. And then there are two twin beds, little bunk bed situations up here, which would be so great for traveling with kids, or honestly, even if you're traveling with adults that just don't want to sleep together. This is just such a great configuration. And they've got all these little hooks along the wall here, reading lights. And I love this little crocheted guy right here. He's so funny. This bedding and wallpaper, it just all feels so delightfully Canadian and mountain lodgy. Got this little seating area over here. And what's really fun is not only do you have a swimming pool view, which that's heated by the way, but then you also have this gorgeous mountain view. So, I mean, just a real treat to get that. And then, again, here's a Banff National Park map, which is super fun. Big screen TV. I kind of feel like I'm at a camp, but in a really great way. So, a little kitchenette situation over here, and a mini fridge, always a win. Nespresso happening. And then here is the bathroom. So got, again, ample space in here, nice basin, hair dryer, everything that you need. And a nice large shower with a shower head. And then also has this little handheld guy, which again, with a kiddo, I always appreciate being able to wash hair easily with that and whatnot. The bathroom has this nice pocket door, so it doesn't take up much space. It is obviously frosted but see-through, so for privacy, you could kind of gauge if that would be good for your group or not. But anyway, this is the one king, two twin Moxy Banff hotel room. So hope that that is a great guide for you guys.